I'm here so that you can avoid making the same mistakes that I made. So please, please, please ramp up your volume and intensity slowly. Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to deal with posterior shin splints using taping application. Injuries and niggles are part of the game when you talk about middle distance and long distance triathlon. They can happen, and most of the time it's due to overuse or doing too much too soon, especially in my case. I always end up feeling like a superhuman, and doing too much too soon, it can be both volume or it can be intensity. In this case, I'm dealing with some posterior shin splints, aka pain in the inside of your leg, close to the ankle. They came on after an intense cycling block, probably with some minor adjustments that needed to be done with the saddle. So right now I'm dealing with them with icing, reducing volume and intensity, and I find it beneficial to apply tape. Tape can offload some of the stress in the area. It can help promote healing, blood circulation and flow. 2 strips of tape. And now I'm going to show you how the application works. This red piece of tape, this is where I feel pain. It can start from here. You can feel like a tightness, and then it can evolve after you use it. You use it too much, it can evolve into feeling some problems in your Achilles tendon. So to deal with this, we're going to tape it, following the KT tape guidelines that were also recommended to me from my physiotherapist. This is what the end result looks like. I'm showing you so you have a rough idea. Now I'm going to show you how exactly to put on the tape. Basically, we start off by peeling off a little piece of tape and anchoring it to the side of our foot. Then we remove the paper that covers the adhesive. And we stretch the tape to 50%. So stretch it out completely and then just let it go kind of like halfway. Then we can keep this 50% stretch and stick it to our leg. Our foot needs to be just flat in a normal position. At the end, we completely let go and we don't stretch, and we just anchor it on the leg. Then we rub it a bit to get some heat in, and so that it sticks good. Now, the second piece of tape, always keeping our foot normal. We anchor it on the side of the foot again, like the first one, just a bit more forward. And here we stretch again 50%, pull it, stretch it 50%, stick it on, and then plantar flex the foot and stick it on the ankle, always maintaining a 50% stretch. I was going slowly here to ensure that it stuck well. Go on 50% up until about this point, and then just let it go. Just no stretch. Then we just rub it and apply some heat in order for it to stick really well. And voila, you have taped your posterior shin splints. Here is what it looks like. So shin splints suck. I hate them. I suffered from them in the front also. I got a couple of adjustments done on the area and a couple of magnetic therapy sessions done. But I think as of now it's getting better, it's slowly getting better, so I just need to take matters in my own hands and deal with the healing myself. So as is the case for the majority of overuse injuries, rest is key. So I've been backing off volume and intensity. I don't believe in 100% rest. I believe in 100% rest the first few days when it's very acute pain. But gentle movement can help promote blood flow in the tissues that need to be repaired and promote healing. One thing I do make sure is after every training session is I apply ice to the area. One important thing is to make sure you deal with these issues when they arise. One thing I always make sure is that they never go above a pain level of 7. Right now, posterior shin splints is about a 2. I have no pain when I cycle. I'm not running because I don't think it's appropriate right now. But I would never let it go past a 5 or a 6, because once it's a 7, it means it's acute, you can't walk on it, you can't even manage a daily life. Another thing I'm doing to promote healing in the area and reducing inflammation is following a whole foods plant-based diet rich in fruits, veggies and antioxidant foods. Foods especially rich in antioxidants are pineapple, papaya, and also I make sure I'm getting a big dose of turmeric, be it through turmeric powder in smoothies or directly in cooking. If I could go back in time to not get them, the one thing I would do is ramp up the volume and the intensity slowly. This happened because I went out one day and did too much in one day for my body. My body wasn't conditioned to do it, so something had to give. Now I'm stuck with having to deal with this stuff. I'm here so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I make. So please, 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 your body is a gift and treat it accordingly.
Okay, so we're about halfway on the pano. Now there's gonna be a little climbing section. And then it's downhill and then one last stab to Superga. Okay, so that was a decent effort. It's been a couple of months that I haven't come up here. Let's see what happened. The mecca for all climbs in Shin. Take a look at this. You can see the whole city from here.
I hope this information helps you, and wish you a speedy recovery and healing and to get back to training in full effect. Peace.